We are going to go ahead and review the eBay ice fishing tent. Usually you can buy it on eBay for around $120. That's what I paid for it. It's made out of good material. The wind can't go through it. We already went inside it and the wind can't go through it pretty well. So the only place where the wind will go through are these vents, which I might even block. It's got what, 3 or 4 of these windows here, which I'll show you in a bit. I know it's a little dark. It's in the evening right now.
I think it's a 2-person tent.
It's a 2-person? I think a 2 or 3-person.
2.
Let's go on the inside. So it doesn't have a floor to it, which is obvious because you're going to be ice fishing. So I think 3 people could fit in here easily. At the most, I would say, comfortably. So these little windows, you can
detach.
You can detach the first part of it. They're Velcro. They're attached with Velcro. That's so you could, have the window. Or you can actually take the whole window off together, and that goes to the outside. And it's cold out there. You can feel it cold. But when you close these windows all the way, it's warm in here. Once you close the windows and close the door there, it is warm in here. Actually, it gets warm. I wonder how the ice, though, because the ice is, of course, is cold. So pretty cool tent. Really easy to pop up. Really, all you really do, let me show you. All you really got to do to pop it when you get it, you pull on these guys here. You pull on these, boom, and if you notice, it pops it out like a bubble on the top too. I don't know if you could see that there.
All right, let's see you take it down.
Taking it down might be a little hard.